Hello everyone and welcome back to CodeChef. In today's video, we are going to explore one of the most important concepts in C++, that is pointers. By the end of this session, you will learn how to access and print array elements using pointers, how pointer arithmetic works and why it is so useful, and what a pointer to pointer is. So let's get started and make pointers super easy to understand.
What is a pointer? A pointer is a variable that stores the memory address of another variable. So whenever we are declaring any variable, it always has an address in the memory. So that memory address is stored by another variable which is known as a pointer. Now why do we need pointers? Because they help us in efficient memory usage, direct access to data. They are used in arrays, strings and dynamic memory, and they are required for data structures like linked lists, trees and graphs. Now let us discuss pointer declaration and initialization. So in C++, the AND operator denotes the address of operator and star is the dereference operator. Its syntax is int x is equal to value semicolon, then int star ptr is equal to AND x semicolon. So first we have declared a variable x and assigned value to it. Then we have created a pointer by writing the syntax int star. The name of the pointer is ptr is equal to, and since we have written and x, that means this pointer is going to store the address of variable x semicolon. We can also use the concept of pointers to access and print array elements. Now let us go to the CodeChef platform and see how to do this. The program objective is pointer usage and the expected output is initial value stored at ptr colon hello, modified value stored at ptr colon modified hello, and value after resetting through pointer colon new hello. Coming to the code, hash include iostream using namespace std semicolon int main. Now curly brace begin for the main function. String str is equal to in double inverted commas hello and semicolon. So here we have declared a string variable whose value is hello. Then string star ptr is equal to and str semicolon. Now we are declaring and initializing a pointer in this statement. String is the data type of the pointer, then star ptr is the name of the pointer, then and str because it is going to store the address of variable str, and a semicolon. Then cout in double inverted commas initial value stored at ptr colon, then ptr in square brackets 0 endl and semicolon. Now what is stored at the 0th index in the ptr pointer? It is the string hello. So hello will be printed here. Now ptr in square brackets 0 is equal to in double inverted commas modified hello and a semicolon. So now I have modified or changed the value of ptr at 0th index. Cout in double inverted commas modified value stored at ptr colon, then again the value stored at ptr index 0 will be printed, endl and semicolon. But this time this value will be changed to modified hello. Again I am changing the value of ptr index 0. So ptr square bracket 0 is equal to in double inverted commas new hello and a semicolon. Cout in double inverted commas value after resetting through pointer colon, then the value stored at 0th index number in ptr will be printed, then endl and semicolon. Return 0, semicolon, and the main function ends here. Now let us run the program to see the output. Initial value stored at ptr is hello, modified value stored at ptr is modified hello, and value after resetting through pointer is new hello. What is pointer arithmetic? Pointer arithmetic means performing arithmetic operations on pointers to navigate through memory. To understand this better, let us see the operations that can be performed using pointer arithmetic. First is increment, whose syntax is ptr++. Then decrement, whose syntax is ptr-. Addition, the syntax is ptr plus n. And subtraction, whose syntax is ptr-n. Now let us go to the CodeChef platform and see an example for pointer arithmetic. Program objective is pointer arithmetic with array, and the expected output is before change : 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, after change : 10, 20, 100, 40, 50. Now let us go to the code. Hash include iostream using namespace std semicolon int main. Now inside curly braces int air, then square bracket is equal to in curly braces 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, bracket close and semicolon. So here we have declared and initialized an array whose name is air, and these are the values that we have assigned. Now let us declare a pointer to store the address of this array. Int star ptr is equal to air and semicolon. Now cout in double inverted commas before change : and then semicolon. Now let us use the for loop to iterate through each and every element of this array. For bracket int I is equal to 0, semicolon I less than 5. Why? Because there are total 5 elements in this array. So from index number 0 to 4, the loop will run. Semicolon plus I, bracket close, then curly brace begin for the for loop code. Cout, then ptr in square bracket I. So here pointer will point out each and every element of the array. Then in double inverted commas space and semicolon, bracket close, then cout endl and semicolon to shift the cursor in a new line. Now ptr in square bracket 2 is equal to 100 semicolon. Now I am changing the value which is stored at index number 2 in the array. So if you see, earlier the value was 30 at index number 2. Now it will be 100. Then cout after change in double inverted commas and then semicolon. Again we are going to use the for loop to print the array elements. For bracket begins int I is equal to 0, semicolon I less than 5, semicolon plus I, bracket close, curly brace begin. Cout ptr in square bracket I, then space in double inverted comma and a semicolon, curly brace close for this for loop. Cout endl semicolon return 0 semicolon and the main function end here. Now let us run the program to see the output. Before change : 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and after change : 10, 20, 100, 40, 50. So this is how we use pointer arithmetic with arrays. Last but not the least, pointer to pointer, whose syntax is int ** and then the name of the pointer. So a pointer to pointer stores the address of another pointer. Its syntax is data type ** then pointer name semicolon. So when we want to store the address of one pointer variable into another pointer variable, then we use the concept of pointer to pointer. And why do we need pointer to pointer? For dynamic memory allocation, passing pointers to functions, multi-dimensional arrays and advanced data structures. Now let us see an example of pointer to pointer on the CodeChef platform. Here the program name is pointer to pointer and the expected output is before change : num is equal to 5, after change : num is equal to 10. Coming to the code, hash include iostream using namespace std semicolon int main, then curly brace begin for the main function. Int num is equal to 5 semicolon, int star ptr is equal to and num semicolon, then int star star pptr is equal to and ptr semicolon. Now what is happening here? First we are declaring and initializing a variable num whose value is 5. Now we are storing the address of num in pointer ptr, and then we are storing the address of pointer ptr into another pointer variable which is pptr. Cout in double inverted commas before change colon num is equal to, then the value of num variable will be printed, endl and semicolon. Then star star pptr is equal to 10 semicolon. Now here we are modifying the value which is stored at pptr variable to 10. So cout after change colon num is equal to, and then the value of num will be printed, endl semicolon. We know that in pptr we stored the value of ptr, and ptr is actually having the value of variable num. So now because we have changed the value of pptr to 10, so automatically the value of num will be updated to 10. Return 0 semicolon and curly brace ends for the main function. Now let us run the program to see the output. Before change colon num is equal to 5, after change colon num is equal to 10.
And that brings us to the end of our lesson on pointers in C++. Today we explored how to access array elements using pointers, how pointer arithmetic works behind the scenes, and how to use pointer-to-pointer concepts. Make sure you practice these concepts on the CodeChef platform. Thank you so much for watching.